In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva's AI video generator. This is an incredibly powerful tool that allows you to create stunning videos quickly and easily. So let's dive in and explore the process step by step. To get started, you'll want to head over to canva.com. If you haven't already got an account, just take a moment to sign up. It's free and super straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Canva home screen where all your creative projects await. Next, let's move on to starting a new design. You'll notice a button labeled Create a Design. Give that a click. This will open up a menu with several options. To keep things quick, you can simply type video in the search bar and you'll be well on your way to designing your new project. Now focus your attention on the left sidebar where you'll find a section labeled Apps. This area is a gateway to various creative tools that Canva offers, and it's where we'll locate the AI video generator option. In the Apps section, use the search bar to type in Magic Media or Text to Video. These are the key tools we're looking for today. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. You will then have the option to select Video. Doing so directs you to the video interface where the real magic begins. This is where you describe the video you want. Be clear and detailed about what you're envisioning. The more specific you are, the better the AI can tailor the video to meet your needs. You might mention the video's subject, tone, or any other specific effects or imagery you're imagining. With your description in place, it's time to click the Generate the Video button. Canva's AI will then process your description, crafting a video that captures your ideas. This process might take a little time, depending on the complexity of your description, so be patient. You'll soon have something remarkable to work with. Now comes the fun part. Editing and customizing your video. Canva's interface is user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy to tweak elements such as text, colors, fonts, and more. You can make it uniquely yours by adjusting these details. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, it's time to click on the Share button. From here, you can choose the option to download your video as an MP4 file, which is a widely compatible format. Save it to your device, and you're ready to share your creation with the world. And there you have it. With Canva, crafting a polished video has never been easier. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you're excited to experiment with Canva's AI video generator yourself. Don't forget to share your creations and let the world see your newfound skills. Thanks for watching and happy designing.